Hello everyone. Zoleka Mandela has passed away at the age of 43. The granddaughter of South Africa's first democratically elected statesman, Nelson Mandela and Winnie Mandela, succumbed to metastatic cancer. This means that the cancerous cells spread to various body parts. In Zoleka's case, it attacked her hip, liver, lung, pelvis, brain, and spinal cord. She was admitted to hospital last Monday and died a week later, surrounded by loved ones. Zoleka passed away on the eve of Winnie's birthday. At the same time, City of Johannesburg Mayor Zoleka Mandela is set to unveil the new name of William Nicol Drive on Tuesday. This follows the City Council's approval of the name change in honor of the late struggle icon Winnie. The ceremony coincides with what would have been her 87th birthday. The African National Congress has also released a statement and is read as follows. ANC statement of the passing of Zoleka Mandela. The ANC has received with shock and profound sadness news of the passing of Zoleka Mandela. Zoleka Mandela was a community activist and writer. She was the daughter of the late Zinzi Mandela and the granddaughter of the late Tata Nelson Mandela and Mama Winnie Madikizela Mandela. The ANC applauds her for her sterling role in the fight against cancer and her drawing public awareness about cancer. This she did through several campaigns, public lectures, and writings. Her death comes at a time when William Nicol Drive in Johannesburg is being renamed in honor of her grandmother, Mama Winnie Madikizela Mandela. She passes on just a day before what would have been her grandmother Winnie's 87th birthday. She will be remembered for her dedicated activism for justice and quality health care. The ANC joins the nation in mourning and expresses its condolences to the Mandela family, friends, and colleagues. May her soul rest in peace. Sending condolences to the family and friends.
Maybe I'll never ever make sense of why all these things, happened in my life, these painful things that have completely changed my life. But I'm just in a place where I'm my life couldn't be any better because I finally have purpose. I always felt like my life meant nothing to me or nothing at all, like I was worth nothing. First of all, I never thought I'd ever amount to anything. And I used to always say, I think by the age of 30, I'll be dead, at the rate that I was going. But, I feel like my life makes people feel like they have a purpose because as much as I felt purposeless after my daughter passed on, I just feel like every day is a better way, another opportunity for me to better myself and,
Absolutely.
And be that beacon of hope for somebody else who's going through something that I went through and maybe even better than that, to maybe just remind them that they always have an opportunity to make better choices.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.